Welcome to the Cryptoverse YouTube channel, and I am back with another video for you guys. So we're going to start off looking at the coin market cap, and then I'll show you guys the fear and greed index, and then I want to show you a news article that I found that was pretty interesting, but should always take these news articles with a grain of salt. So let's hop right on into it. So the market cap is sitting at 1.4 trillion, about $200 billion down from where we were yesterday. The volume is increasing. We were at about 85 billion, and now we're at 141 billion on the volume, and then Bitcoin dominance and ETH dominance sitting around the same that they were yesterday. So the market is having a pretty big correction today. We are at about 8.5% down from where we were yesterday, and Bitcoin down to 32,000, down 7.3% for the day. Ethereum, big correction today too, about 7%. Decent correction. I wouldn't say big, but decent corrections today. 7.8%. Binance down almost 10%. Cardano also down 7%. Doge down 7%. XRP 7%. So pretty much a lot of these coins are down. Top 10 coins down 7%, 8%. Then let's hop on into the daily gainers. Let's see what's actually gaining today. Data Fuel up 9% today. Data Fuel has just been on a tear. This coin, Leo, up 8%. Nothing about that coin. Rivain, almost up 0.5%. Terra USD, stable coin. Don't need to talk about that one. DAI, a lot of stable coins. Seems like a lot of people are moving some of their funds into stable coins today, since a lot of these stable coins are gainers. Literally, USDC, Binance USD, HUSD, Tether, DAI, Terra USD. They're all in the gainers today. Let's look at our weekly gainers. Theta Fuel, Solana up 28%, Theta 16%, Curve DAO. So basically the same coins we've been seeing all week pretty much. So let's hop on into the fear and greed index. So last month we were at 73 greed. So this here can show you how fast the market sentiment can change. Last month we were just at 73 greed, and now we're at extreme fear at 13. Yesterday we were at 15, and last week we were around 20. So people are still very fearful right now. So let's hop on into that news article. So asset management giant sells Bitcoin for 1.1 billion profit. So like I said, take these with a grain of salt. So maybe this could be a reason why we're seeing some dips today. At least one of the reasons why. I wouldn't say this is the only reason why, but this could potentially be a reason why, because you never know if they're actually selling their Bitcoin or not. So this could always just be, just take it with a grain of salt. So let's jump on over into the chart and take a look at Bitcoin. So today, as you see, we broke this bearish pennant to the downside on some pretty decent volume. So I'm getting ready for some, prices that are down here. So let's just get some price targets so that we have a plan. So if things go, here, then we do this. So if X, then Y, So if we get here, then Y. If we get to 27,000, then Y, Just have a plan for when these things happen. You're not stressing out like, oh no, it's dipping on me. What should I do? Should I sell? Should I buy more? Things like that. Just when you have a plan, you can go and stress free and do other things. So, just set your plan and then go enjoy some time with the family, do things you like to do, and just forget about it. Set some alerts so that you're always in the market, just know what's going on. So here, this is the market sentiment day that changed us into, everyone thinking we're bear market and stuff. So we want to get back above this market sentiment day at around 43,000. And then some price targets for this dip here, for this move that's happening right now. About 27,000, 28,000. Here, let's turn this magnet on, get these prices actually. So yeah, about 28,000. We turn the magnet on, get those sticks on the prices. So about 28,000 is where I'm looking at, but I'm not saying that it can't come to, this 30,000 here, or we stop around here at, where the last dip stopped at. So around 30,000, $100, or we stop here, 28,000. You never know. We could come even down further to 25,000. So just be prepared for those things, just have your plan and, just stick to that plan also. And then another thing I want to show you guys here is another reason why I think that we are crashing so hard, I just want to compare some things back in history. So let's go back to this bull run in 2017. When you look at these dips here, 34%, 34%, 40%, 40%, and these are just rounded numbers, you know. So a lot of 40% dips also on the way up. And then when you look at now, 21%, 16%, some even smaller ones here. Then when we get to the top, 31%, 26%, 18%. So what I'm trying to say is these dips aren't as dramatic as the ones back in the bull run before. So maybe that is why we are crashing so hard. And if you measure here from the COVID dip, you know, we were already up 1,600%. How much farther could this market had went, you know, before we got a correction? You know, if we went from here up to 100K, that would have been 2,000%. But what I'm saying is, now is a lot better time to be buying in to hit that 100K. You know, if it goes to 100K from where we are now, that's 200% instead of buying in up here or in these ranges and then getting 100%. You buy 65K, it's about 50% to 100. So I'm not saying that I didn't buy at the top, because I did buy in here. I'm still new, so I'm learning here. So I bought in around here, but I had my plan. So if it came down to a certain price, you know, then I did Y. Just having that plan, it helped me, you know, control myself and not get scared or, you know, get emotionally affected by these things. I'm not saying that, yes, I got emotionally affected, but it wasn't as harsh as if I just went in here, you know, bought in, and then it comes down on me. And then I'm just like, okay, what am I going to do? That's why you have that plan. X, if X, then Y. Same thing with to the upside, you know. If you bought here, if X, then Y, you know. If it goes here, then you do that. If it goes here, then you do that. So just having that plan will help you with your emotions pretty much in the market. And then I want to do a little bit more. So we're getting farther and farther away from that 50% level. At 47,000, we're starting to come down. If we zoom in here, this bar is starting to look like it's going to close pretty high. So this could be, you know, the herd panicking. Then we're coming up high volume, getting a shakeout, you know. Maybe the institutions are getting ready, soaking up this selling here, and just trying to get the rest of the sellers out before we get a move up. So, you know, they're coming up, testing up here, not enough strength here, so come down, test some more levels, not enough strength there, and then, you know, we just keep coming back, testing, gaining strength until there's enough strength in the market for us to just, you know, push through these levels and continue up. But like I said, I'd rather be buying in here than up here, because I've learned my lesson from buying up here, and then it comes down and starts to crash, and we all think it's going to go to 100K when we buy in at these tops. So you'd rather be buying in here than up here. Let's check some Ethereum. See what's going on with Ethereum. Here we go. So right now Ethereum is only down 4%. But I think since Bitcoin's dipping, Ethereum's gonna get some dippage too. So we got some targets around 15,000, or no, not 15,000, excuse me, 1,500 and 1,800. I'm thinking we might see the 1,800. I don't know. There's still possibility of us going to 1,500, but I'm thinking my target here is at 1,500. And I usually don't do much on ETH. I don't have much ETH in my portfolio, but I still like to look at these things. And then check Harmony One. I like to check all my positions. Harmony One also looking like we might be getting a shakeout bar here. Still sitting around these levels here. Not saying we can't come below, but I have my alert set just in case we do come below here. I plan to buy more. This is a coin that I'm holding a lot of because I believe in this coin here. But I think that's pretty much all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll leave my Twitter down below in the description, also with my Discord link down below in the description. You can join that and come share ideas with a lot of like-minded people and just help each other make money. So with that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Cryptoverse out of here.